Daniel Webster once said, "Justice is the great interest of man on earth. It is the ligament which holds civilized beings and civilized nations together." My name is Seth Anderson, and I'm Executive Director of the American Judicature Society. The stated mission of AJS is to secure and promote an independent and qualified judiciary and a fair system of justice. And since our beginning, advocating integrity in American justice is what AJS has been about. When our organization was founded in 1913, the American judiciary was under increasing pressure to modernize as an institution and become more responsive to public concerns. Some of that pressure was justified, while other pressures were overtly political. Powerful interests maneuvered to stack the bench with their allies. They even called for the removal of sitting judges as retaliation for unpopular decisions. Today, the judiciary faces similar challenges. Courts face pressures to be responsive to narrow agendas rather than the rule of law. AJS is an independent, nonpartisan membership organization working nationally to protect the integrity of the American justice system. We have a membership that is diverse and broadly based. It is made up of several thousand concerned members of the public, scholars, lawyers, and judges. They take very seriously the ongoing challenge to fair and impartial courts. We are addressing these challenges through research, education, publications, awards, information services, and advocacy for judicial reform. The work of AJS focuses primarily on 5 key issues: judicial ethics, judicial selection, access to justice, criminal justice reform, and the jury system. Hundreds of high school civics and government teachers utilize AJS materials in the classroom to teach the importance of a fair and balanced court system. For a century now, AJS has stood as a trusted voice representing the public interest in maintaining a diverse, qualified, and impartial judiciary. The Society strives to counteract the criticism directed at courts by offering nonpartisan, research-based solutions to the challenges facing stakeholders in the judicial system. We enjoy productive and collaborative relationships with allied organizations, scholars, and others who share a commitment to a strong and stable justice system, one that protects personal liberties and public safety while at the same time promoting economic growth and stability. The American Judicature Society continually promotes improvements and safeguards to judicial selection, the criminal justice system, and judicial ethics standards. These are designed to enhance the fairness and effectiveness of our courts. The American justice system is the envy of the world, and AJS works tirelessly to ensure that the American justice system remains the standard by which all other systems are measured. But as so many other nations have discovered, a justice system is only as good as the collective resolve to protect its integrity. It requires an unending focus on repelling pressures that would lead to erosion. The special interests seeking to dilute the effectiveness and fairness of our courts never fail to be well-financed. In order for AJS to meet and effectively address these challenges, we need the financial resources necessary to innovate, to invent and reinvent programs and initiatives seeking to present a balanced, nonpartisan response. Every citizen is entitled to more than just their day in court. They have the right to a fair and impartial hearing. Protecting that right is what the American Judicature Society is all about. We are a nonprofit, 501c3 organization funded entirely by memberships, contributions, and grants. With your tax-deductible financial support, AJS will continue to play a leading role in educating policymakers, court officials, journalists, civic leaders, and members of the public about the importance of ensuring that the structures and procedures of the judicial branch always advance fairness, efficiency, and justice for all.